How to Fix X Twitter Account Suspended 2026 Guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a suspended X.Twitter account. If your account suddenly got suspended, don't panic. There are a few proven steps you can follow to fix it. Let's get started. First, open the X.Twitter app or go to the website and try to log in to your account. Step 1. Understand the type of suspension. Not all suspensions are the same. On X.Twitter, accounts can be temporarily locked due to suspicious activity, limited, some features disabled, fully suspended, serious violations. Knowing the type helps you choose the right solution. Step 2. Verify your account. If your account is locked, you'll usually see a message asking for verification. Follow the instructions to verify your phone number, confirm your email address, complete a security check. Once verified, your account may be restored automatically. Step 3. Remove violating content. If your account was limited due to a specific tweet or activity, log in and check for warnings. Delete any tweet that may violate rules. Avoid spammy behavior like mass follows or repeated posts. Step 4. Submit an appeal. If your account is fully suspended, you need to submit an appeal. Go to the official X.Twitter support page. Fill out the appeal form and explain your situation clearly and politely. Tip: avoid writing long, emotional messages. Keep it short and professional. Step 5. Wait for response. After submitting the appeal, you need to wait. Response time can take a few hours or several days. Check your email regularly for updates from X support. Important tips. Do not create multiple new accounts. This can make things worse. Do not use bots or automation tools. Follow platform rules to avoid future suspensions. Final result. By verifying your account, removing violations, and submitting an appeal, you can recover your suspended X.Twitter account in most cases. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks.